Hi guys, here's a new Unity video in which I want to show you a high quality Unity asset called Abandoned School that you can get from the asset store. The link is added to the description below. It comes with several great demos, but I want to show you how to use the map with an FPS player. After downloading the asset and opening the main demo, you have to import the standard asset's characters and drag, for example, a rigid body FPS controller into your scene. For this I decreased the radius a bit and set the tag to main camera. This is needed for the included scripts that open the doors for the player when hitting the E key. For the camera of the FPS player, uncheck the option Allow MSAA and enable Allow HDR. In order to use the included post-processing profile, you have to download the post-processing stack from the asset store. It's free. I also added the link to the description. After that, add a post-processing behavior to the camera, and for this assign the post-processing profile. Okay, now I hit play to give you some impressions of the gameplay. So this looks really great, but what I also want to point out here is to set your color space to linear. Just open the project settings, player, and here you can set the value by using the drop-down box. The asset comes with a lot of well-designed meshes that you can see here that have high quality PBR materials. The models are provided as prefabs as well, with attached colliders and levels of details. In other demos you can see decals or graffiti that you can add, for example, to the walls of the asset. The asset has a modular design with over 500 objects, customizable substance materials, and detailed interior and exterior models. So in my opinion, this is a high quality asset if you would like, for example, create an FPS horror game. The price perhaps seems to be quite high, but an asset with that quality couldn't come cheap. Just think about the time you save when you don't have to create it by yourself. So guys, I hope you liked this review, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to help it grow, consider supporting me on my Patreon. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and see you soon on JNM.